So good sir, this is Cadet Virel Cuno. So now I'm gonna explain the task that you gave. So number one, if the variation and deviation are given, how do determine compass error? So compass error is the algebraic sum of variation and deviation. If variation and deviation are same direction, let's say both west, by adding together the angles of variation and deviation, you will determine the compass error. So also leveled west. If the variation and deviation are different direction, assume the small number is a negative and add the two together. The direction will be that of the larger angle. So example, our deviation is 1.5 east, variation 5.0 west. So the compass error will be 3.5 west. So number 2, if the compass error and variation are given, how do determine deviation? So if they have different name, we simply subtract, but same name, just add the two of them, and then leveled where should be the direction of the bigger value. So number 3, if the true bearing and compass bearing are given, how to determine compass error? So we simply subtract true bearing from the compass bearing, and take note, if compass bearing is less than true, the error is east, but if the compass is greater than true, the error is west. So number 4, if the compass course, deviation, and variation are given, how to determine the true course? So we simply just use the can, dead, man, both west method. Take note, subtract f west variation and add f east variation, then subtract f west deviation and add f east variation. So then we get the value of magnetic and the true course. So number 5, if the true course, variation, and deviation are given, how to determine the compass course? So we just use the two Virgin Max Dial Company method. So take note, add f west variation and subtract f east variation, then add f west deviation and subtract f east deviation. So then we get the value of magnetic and the compass course. So number 6, explain how to update variation in a compass rows. So first we find out the variation and the year for which it was correct, and then or subtract the annual range, and this will be rounded up or down to the nearest whole degrees for practical uses. So that's all, sir. Thank you.